guess what I'm gonna demonstrate? This panel, that's unlocked. Look, there's your fire service. I'm gonna go up to 2. Take one wire of these with these panels open. And the door closes. Look at these panels. There's your call cancel button. There is your stop switch. There's an open and door close button and a fire key. So let me try with these buttons. It does work. Press C open. It does work too. This is what great. This is in phase 3 with the newer Otis elevator nowadays with these cabinets. Plus these old fixtures. You what? Are you guys done? There you have it, the panel. Got it closed. And that's it.